Now let's talk about the area of a segment. If we have to find the area of a segment, let's draw a diagram over here. We have the circle, this is the center of the circle. We have this radius and this radius and this part. This is our segment. If we have to find the area of this segment, so what we're gonna do for it, as we know this whole thing here till here is the sector. So what we'll do, we will subtract the area of sector. Area of sector is, we have already learned it, that is half r squared theta. And we need another thing over here, that is this triangle. The area of this triangle would be half r squared sine of theta. So if we have to find this blue part, so what we need to do, we need to subtract the triangle from the sector. So area of segment will be area of sector minus area of triangle. So area of sector is half r squared theta minus area of triangle is half r squared sine of theta. Upon simplification we'll get, taking half r squared common, and we have inside theta minus sine theta. These are the result that you could use directly while trying to find the area of segment. If you want to memorize, you can do it, otherwise you can deduce the way I told you. Keep that in mind, this theta should be in radian mode, should be in radian, and you have to convert, you should know how to convert your calculator into radian mode, otherwise you will get wrong result. You need to be cautious about it. Now I'm going to teach you how to convert degree angle to radian and radian angle to degree.